Hi everybody, it's Miss LJ and I have Spooky Little Blue Truck's Halloween, where we get to see his friends in very cool outfits. This is written by Miss Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurry. And they do a fantastic job making everything look a little spooky. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You can come too. What season is this, you guys? Look, the leaves are changing and the sun is setting a little early. And Halloween's in October, which is an autumn month. Very good. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose? Up on the tiniest tips of their toes, under the mask, what do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Let's see. Who's that clown with the big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Oh, under the mask, who do you see? Ah, said Sheep, it's me, it's me. I like all the other little animal outfits we're seeing too. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says the cow, it's me, it's me. Ooh, what scraggly hair, what funny teeth. Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Says the pig, it's me, it's me. Oh, they're getting close to the barn. Oh, we're almost there. There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen, it's me, it's me. Oh, and her little hen too. A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? This one's my favorite, you guys. Under the mask, who do you see? Nay, says the horse, it's me, it's me. Croak, says Toad, there's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Ooh, who do you guys think it is? Oh, look at that. Off comes the sheep. It's you-know-who. Little Blue Truck says beep, beep, boo. The end. Well, that was wonderful. I did not expect the Little Blue Truck to be a ghost. What do you want to dress up for Halloween? Of all those costumes, I would probably be the dragon. But I would love to see you guys wear your favorite outfits under the Halloween moon. Have a wonderful day.